In this video, we are going to look at how to extract data using list and mapping functions from the array, and also the usage. Before that, in the last episode, we saw how to get the array and retrieve the data normally. If you haven't seen it yet, the video link is in the description below. Go check it out. Now, let us see how to retrieve data using the list and mapping functions. Let's get started. Please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more videos. This is the code structure for the numeric array list method. First, you must know the array data structure for a particular array variable to extract data using the list method. I have created an array called $lst. The first element is used for ID, the second for name, the third for age, and the last for address. You must assign it in the same order to create the correct variable in the list function's argument, or else it will not map the data correctly. If you don't want the first element data, you can ignore it by using a comma like this. And that's it. This is the code structure for the associative array list method. Associative arrays have the same idea, but their structure needs a key to identify the data, and the order is not important for this. The main advantage is that if you want to get a single element from an array, you need only its key and the variable for the data. And that's it. This is the code structure for the multi-dimensional array list method. To get data from a multi-dimensional array, you must use a list function within a list function. And that's it. You do not need to enter the function name and replace the parentheses with square brackets in the list method's abbreviated method. And that's it. This is the code structure for the array mapping method. You must pass the callback function first, and then pass the arrays. You must pass the correct parameters to the callback function and array_map function. This function works like for each loop, but you can return some value through the callback. The main advantage is that you can write code in a single line. And that's it. In the following video, we'll look at some of the important array functions available in PHP. Thank you for watching my videos.